Okay, these are funky. Look at these buttons. I've never seen these before. They're like a rectangular version of the, what are they? Those generic ones. I can't think of the name now. Interesting how the buttons surround the card reader. This side, a fancy LED 6. Well, I'm going to take a few rides on these and then I might see if there's a service or something. Door open, door closed, lights up when the doors are closing. SJEC. It's another one of those SJECs. Moves more than people. Oh, so they also move freight if you put that in the elevator. I'm going to take another ride down and up, and then we're going to get out here and we'll have a look at the motor, because I suspect we'll probably get a great view of the motors here, if these are MRL, which I suspect they are. Doesn't say the installation date. Slam. I like these buttons. They look very nice. They do look very nice. I think these look a lot nicer than a lot of other typical modern fixtures, if I'm being honest. Whoa. Almost fell over there, don't mind that. Oh my god, we stopped halfway between the floors. We're stuck. Just kidding. Alright, send this down to -2. Why do those doors slam like that? Let's see the motor. Ooh, yes, we get a good view. Wait, is that the one for this one or the other one? That's a good view. It has a different indicator out here. It's kind of a messed up LCD. Clunk. Sounds kind of like an Ecodisc. I wonder... Oh, and then the other motor is literally right there. Perched up. Okay. We call it back now. StarLift. You can kind of see it moving. I'll take one more ride back down and up, and then I'm going to end it because I have a lot more to see, or a lot more that I'd like to see, and then I'm only here until tomorrow morning, so literally I pretty much only have tonight to film. At least tonight left. So I need to hurry. Ding dong. Why is the name of these buttons escaping me? Rallo. That's who it is, Rallo. I think these are Rallo fixtures, but I've never seen rectangular ones like this. They are Rallo because they got the design. They have the same font and they push the same. And then that side does not have a window because that just opens into the other hoistway. But I do like when they have windows into the other hoistways. That's a cool view. Here is the map if you so desire to look at it. And there goes the elevator. Is that a car top light? What is that? Look. What is that thing? Anyway, that's it.